Today we are going to be making Thieves hand sanitizer, and it's super easy and just takes a couple ingredients. So the first thing that you're going to need is a 2-ounce container with a lid. Glass will work just fine, but if you're throwing this like in your diaper bag or your purse or something, you might want to get plastic. If you do get plastic, look at the bottom and you can see right here there's a little triangle of arrows. There's a 1 in it, and right below it says peat. Make sure that your container is peat for recycling purposes. Okay, so you're going to need your container, you're going to need your thieves, and that's right, and you're going to need a couple other things. So you can do this a few different ways, so we will go over the different ingredients you can use as we're getting through this. So the first thing that you're going to be using is aloe vera, and if you do not have your own aloe vera plant, you can go to the store and pick up aloe vera gel. This one doesn't have any fragrance and no added colors, so that's why I got this one. And we're going to use about 3 tablespoons of aloe vera gel. So if you have a 2-ounce container, that's going to be, this will hold about 5 tablespoons. So you're going to want to fill it 3/5 of the way with your aloe vera gel. I got about half there. Okay, so that is the base of your hand sanitizer. The next thing that you're going to want to add is 1 tablespoon of either filtered or distilled water, or you can use liquid aloe vera. Okay, so that's what I'm going to be using for mine. I'm going to be using liquid aloe vera. Like I said, 1 tablespoon of that. So I have roughly a tablespoon measured out here. And using a funnel is going to be much easier. But there's that. The next thing that you're going to add is vitamin E oil. However, check your aloe vera first, because most of them actually do contain vitamin E oil, but it's not going to say vitamin E. It's called tocopherol. Okay, if your aloe vera has tocopherol in it, it already has vitamin E in it. And then the last thing that we're going to add is there's 2 more things. 1 tablespoon of witch hazel. So you're going to add equal amounts of your water and witch hazel, or liquid aloe vera and witch hazel. So you're going to add about 1 tablespoon of that. Okay. And then the last thing that we're going to add is our thieves. And I'm going to add about 6 to 7 drops of thieves into our hand sanitizer here. Okay. And then we are just going to put the lid on it and give it a real good shake. Make sure everything gets all mixed together. You like that, Abraham? Get it all shaken up. And this is what it looks like. And it's just make sure that you give it a shake before you use it every time, just in case there's any settling or separating of the ingredients, specifically your oil. And then it dried that fast. So that is your quick and easy do-it-yourself Thieves hand sanitizer. And we literally used aloe, witch hazel, our essential oil, and then we used aloe vera liquid instead of water, but water would work just fine. So just a few ingredients and we are set. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoy this. Try it out. Let me know what you think. If you have any suggestions, comment below and I would love to hear them.